just don't believe. They've allowed all the other voices to come in and kind of muddy. You got to 100% believe when you ask God for something, or else you're not going to get it. You don't have because you don't ask. Because why? You're double-minded, James says. Let the man that is double-minded, he's not going to receive anything from God. So that's why it's so important to go to the Word, find out what the Word says, not what Dr. So-and-so says, or this theologian says, or what this seminary says.
Boy, that is so sneaky.
Yes, it is. He's a very sneaky person.
He's the guy teaching you what the Bible says. He's telling you what the verses mean, and then he says you should just believe what the Bible says without anybody interpreting it for you, like I just did.
Yes, ironically, circle.
I'm going to tell you what the Bible means, and then I'm going to tell you to just believe whatever you want. I mean, this is basically how you convince people to trust you. This is one of the things that I noticed early on when I was trying to figure things out. The people who said, I'm just saying what the Bible says. I'm just going to tell you what the Bible says. This is just biblical teaching. I'm like, yeah, shut up. You're lying to me. You're using that phrase as a way to get me to put my guard down and then to just accept whatever you say.
Yes,
that's right.
And I think some of these guys they're actually intentionally doing that. They are mischievous. They are, in some cases, really just it's wickedness. But in many cases, I think they're just doing what they've been taught by the people that they listen to.
Yeah,
exactly.
And there's part of that technique, and they quite accept the technique in a lot of ways as not being counter to biblical behavior, but it is. When someone tries to, I guess, smooth over their credentials in the light of that sort of deflection, and refraction is the kind of terminology that might be used to say, look here, no, but look at me and look here. It's a little bit like the Old Spice ad. If anyone see, look over there, look back here. You're looking at me. I'm on a horse. Look, your man could look like me. That ad there. It's very, very clever. And that's what they're doing. They shift these shadows all over the place. And he's doing that in the middle of this. I've just exegeted what tongues should be. And now you've got 4 sets of tongues you need to look for. They're all here to help you. So you've got to know your toolkit. And if you don't know your toolkit, you're an ill-equipped Christian. Get ready to fail.